Annuals, we love them as they bring color to the garden for the entire season. But the key to happy, flowering annuals lies in a few simple steps. First up, deadheading. By removing spent flowers, you keep the garden and containers fresh and tidy. It also helps the plants to use their energy to grow stronger with more flowers, while also preventing self-seeding and petals from falling on foliage, which can cause rotting. To deadhead, simply pinch off or snap off faded blooms with your fingers and thumb. For plants with thick stems, use clean secateurs to trim above the next bud or leaf on the stem. Annuals need loads of nutrition to grow strong and flower for longer. Fertilizer is vital in providing those nutrients. And when you feed the soil, by adding an organic slow-release fertilizer to the drip area of the plant, your plants will also become more pest resistant. To encourage vigorous leaf growth, which also promotes healthy roots, use a balanced liquid fertilizer or plant food. Simply apply it as a foliar spray or soil drench for a quick, easily absorbed nutrient boost. This will also help with flower development. By following these easy steps, you'll enjoy bursts of colors all season long.